Hi, Lee Coleman here. In this episode, I'd like to show you how to navigate around and search in FarmSimple. On our home screen, if we use the green action list, this shows us all the different modules that we can go to put our info in for the farm. The same options are available on the bottom of the screen. So jobs, we can go to any activity, we can go to any inventory, we can go to the timesheets. Now we know how to get into the modules. If we go to a module, there's different filtering functions that can change what you see and how you search for items. So you can see here, we have three little options up the top there that can filter it to just show my jobs, which is something I use a lot. In this module, in this test database, there are no jobs assigned to this guy, hence there's nothing in that list. We can turn off the old jobs that have been finished and just see planned and in progress jobs. Again, that starts to filter down what we're seeing. One of the other options is going across these top tabs. So that shows us the latest jobs, gives us if they've got a scheduled due date. We can look at categories, which starts to look at equipment or plant. Priority is definitely a helpful tool because we can filter out what's a safety job and what isn't. Options we use in our farm a lot are due date and latest. If we want to find one that was just put in, we go and look at latest. If we want to look at what's on the list and what's due next, we'll look at due date. The other search function is this little magnifying glass up the top. You can go via one of the categories of assets, or better still, just put in what you're looking for. So we're looking for something on the Western Star. There you go. It's given me 2 results back. I've done the search and there's my job. I can get into it. If I want to go back, I just press cancel and I'm back to the same view. Each module has that built into the back of it. We go into spray logs. We can do exactly the same thing. Pull it across. It'll show completed jobs or only jobs that are associated to me. You can run both those filters. And again, this guy has nothing allocated, so there's nothing going to show up. We can look at completed jobs and go back through the old list. We can then search for a paddock. So I'm going to look at Frank's. It's going to show me all the jobs that were associated with Frank's block. And I can drill in on each one of those and it'll give me a feedback on what's in Frank's. Again, we have these top lists. And you'll notice on your version that you'll have a little arrow there that you can go up and down with. That's coming out in all the modules. And that'll change your filtering capacity. We go to something like grain. Grain has the same little sidebar. The 2 little choices there are around the contracts that are running in the background to support your grain as it goes off farm. And the option there is to show the planned contracts that haven't started yet or the completed contracts that are already been finished and closed down. That's it for navigating around FarmSimple. Have fun.